students, let's continue with exercise 1.2. This is sum number 8. Now in sum number 8, we are supposed to find the missing values, that is A and B. A and B, these are the missing values. Now whenever the missing value question is asked, then always remember that answer will be given to you. That is D3 दिया हुआ है 1100. Sometimes they may give you percentile, sometimes they may give you decile, sometimes they may give you quartile. मतलब they will give you the answer and then they will ask you to find out the missing value. Here D3 is 1100. Whenever you solve a quartile, a decile, a percentile problem, you all have to prepare a CF column. CF means cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. How to get cumulative frequency? The first number will remain the same, 7. 7 plus A is 7 plus A. 7 plus A plus 25, that is 32 plus A. 32 plus A plus 30, that is 62 plus A. 62 plus A plus B. Okay? So D3 is 1100. That means हमें पता है कि decile 3 कहाँ पर बैठता है. 1100 will lie between 1000 and 1500. तो यहाँ से साफ बनेगा. Okay? This is your decile 3 class. Decile 3 is 1100. That means it lies between 1000 and 1500. So this will be your decile 3. Decile 3 का साफ ऐसा बनेगा. ये frequency और ये CF. Okay. Now I'll write the formula. That is decile 3 ना. Decile 3. That is 3 n upon 10. Decile means 10. So 3 into n is 100 upon 10. That is equal to 3 tens is 30. Okay. Now what is the formula of decile 3? Decile 3 formula is L plus 3n upon 10 minus CF upon F into H. So L, what is L? L is 1000. Sorry, what is D3? D3 is 1100. L is 1000 plus 3n upon 10 is 30. CF is 7 plus A. 7 plus A upon F is 25. H is the gap between the class. The gap between the class. 1000 और 1500 का gap कितने का है? 500 का है. यहाँ तो मैंने बताया था 3 स्टेप. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. 3 steps. ये 3 स्टेप याद रखते हैं. 1100 minus 1000 is 100 into nichu, uchu, uchu, nichu is equal to 30 minus 7 minus 8. Okay? 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 1 is 5, 5 is 5 is equal to 30 minus 7 is 23 minus 8. Minus 8 goes there. A is equal to 23 minus 5. A is equal to 18. Okay? A is equal to 18. So I have got the value of A as 18. A as 18. Now this is n, total of all these numbers. 62 plus A plus B is equal to n. बराबर ना. CF का जब टोटल करते हो ना, CF कॉलम बनाते हो तो ये n ही रहता है ना. तो 62 plus A plus B is equal to n. That is 62 plus A का value is 18. B I don't know. N is 100. So B is equal to 100 minus 62 minus 18. Therefore B is equal to 100 minus 70. 80, that is 20. So I got the value of B as 20. The next question says that find out the profit of middle 60% of the shops. This is profit per shop and these are number of shops. मतलब हमें profit find करना है middle 60% of shops का. Middle 60% of shops मतलब क्या? Suppose this is 0 and this is 100. So this is 20%, this is 80%. अरे बराबर ना, ये 20 है, ये 20 है, तो बीच में कितना परसेंट है? 60% है. 60%. 20%, 20%, तो बीच में 60%. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम फाइंड करेंगे पहले परसेंटाइल 20, P20 फाइंड करेंगे और परसेंटाइल 80 फाइंड करेंगे. मतलब प्रॉफिट 20 का फाइंड करेंगे, 20% शॉप्स का, और प्रॉफिट 80% शॉप्स का फाइंड करेंगे. करेंगे, और 20 और 80 का मिल गया तो जो प्रॉफिट है, सपोज 20% शॉप 1000 रुपए का प्रॉफिट करते हैं और 80% शॉप सपोज 4000 का प्रॉफिट करते हैं, तो हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि मिडल 60% जो शॉप्स है वो लोग 1000 से 4000 के बीच में प्रॉफिट करते हैं। समझ में आ रहा है क्या? तो मिडल 60% फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करना है, वहां से 20 छोड़ना है, यहां से 20 छोड़ना है, मतलब ये 20 और ये 80 करना है, 20 80 परसेंटाइल 20 फाइंड करेंगे, परसेंटाइल 80 फाइंड करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल गेट द लिमिट्स। ओके, सो परसेंटाइल 20, whenever you are supposed to find percentile, decile or quartile, what to do? First prepare which column? Very good, first prepare CF column. चलो 10 26 52 72 92 97 100. N is equal to 100. Any props? No props. We are supposed to find percentile 20. Percentile 20 means 20 n upon 100. That is 20 into 100 upon 100. Answer will be 20. 20 कहाँ कटेगा? इसमें साफ बनाएंगे। ओके, चलो परसेंटाइल 20 फॉर्मूला L plus 20 n upon 100 minus CF upon F into H. What is L? L is 1000 plus 20 n upon 100 is 20. CF is 10 upon F is 16 into gap is 1000. So 1000 plus 10 into 1000 is 10,000 upon 16. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 4 2s are 8, 5s are 20, 0 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 20, 4 2 5. So 1625 is the answer. That is percentile 20 is rupees 1625. मतलब 20% से कम शॉप कितने का प्रॉफिट करते हैं? 20% वाले 1625 का। बराबर है, आगे चलते हैं। अब क्या फाइंड करते हैं? परसेंटाइल 80 ना, तो 80 n upon 100. So 80 into n is 100 upon 100. So आंसर आएगा 80। कहाँ बैठता है लिखने का? CF में, यहाँ पे सांप का बच्चा। ओके, परसेंटाइल 80, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? L plus 80 n upon 100 minus CF upon F into H. L is 4000 plus 80 n upon 100 is 80. CF is 72. F is 20. H is 1000. So 4000 plus 80 minus 72 is 8 upon 20 into 1000. 2 1s are to 4s are. 4000 plus 400 is 4400. Percentile 80 you got. मतलब जो मिडल 60% शॉप्स है ना, वो लोग कैसे प्रॉफिट करते हैं? कितना रेंज में प्रॉफिट करते हैं? द प्रॉफिट इज फ्रॉम ₹1625 to ₹4400. This is the answer. Okay, hope this is clear. This is the last question of today's exercise, and this is a bit confusing. Now why it is confusing? Because normally we were supposed to find the quartiles or percentiles, मतलब हमें आउटपुट जैसे कि x का कॉलम जो रहता है उसमें आंसर फाइंड करना था, but in this question we are supposed to find percentage of workers. We are supposed to find percentage of workers who have produced less than 82 output units. 82 output units, मतलब ये output units मालूम है 82 है, but we are supposed to find the percentage of workers who have produced less than 82 output units. मतलब here the percentile is given as 82. That means the percentile is given as 82. That means you know which formula to use. You know which formula to use. That is a percentile 82. Now, but we are supposed to find the percentage of workers. हमें percentage of workers find करना है. And percentage of workers यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है. So I will write let K percent of workers produced less than 82 आउटपुट यूनिट्स व्हाटएवर। अरे समझा क्या? क्लियर है? नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व? पहला कौन सा कॉलम? CF, वेरी गुड। CF में फर्स्ट नंबर इज सेम 40, 85, 135, 195, 265, 345 and 445. Okay, so n is equal to 445. Clear? So percentile is 82. You know percentile is 82. You know where the percentile will lie. 80 to 84. That means हम लोग यहाँ पे साफ बना सकते हैं। अरे क्लियर है? अरे क्लियर है? Now how to use the formula? The formula will be percentile 82, that is percentile K is equal to L plus NK upon 100 minus CF upon F into H. Now this will be the formula. This will be the formula which I will be using here. अरे समझ में आ रहा है क्या? This is not normal, this is abnormal. हमेशा हमने ऐसा सम ऐसा नहीं सॉल्व किया है। ये अलग एक ही सम यहाँ पे दिया है। Now the percentile is given as 82. L is 80. Sorry. One more thing that must be clear. One more important thing that must be clear, which I did not make it clear in the beginning. Whenever you are finding out quartiles, percentiles or deciles, you have to see the class interval. This class interval must be continuous in nature. If you remember 10th standard में we calculated mean, median and mode. In median and mode classes need to be continuous, but in mean classes continuous नहीं रहेगा तो चलता था. Similarly, when we talk about the positional averages like quartiles, percentiles and deciles, you have to remember that the classes have to be continuous in nature. क्या ये classes continuous है? नहीं है. That means this column must be of continuous class. Then only the sum can be solved. Otherwise the sum cannot be solved. फिर मैं वो फॉर्मूला लिख के भी कोई फायदा नहीं था. सम को सॉल्व करने के लिए you need what? The classes need to be continuous. Now how to make them continuous? We have studied in our lower standard. But once again, the gap between this 74, 75, 79, 80 is of 1. So 1 का आधा करेंगे तो 0.5 आएगा. 0.5 माइनस करेंगे, 0.5 प्लस करेंगे. तो 70 में से 0.5 माइनस करो तो आएगा 69.5. इधर ऐड करो 74.5. 74.5 ऐड करो 79.5. 79.5 84.5. 84.5 89.5. 89.5 94.5. 94.5 99.5. 99.5 104.5. अरे बराबर. Now अभी साफ बना सकते हैं. अरे बराबर. Now we can use the formula. PK is equal to L plus NK upon 100 minus CF upon F into H. This is given as 82. L is 79.5. N is 445. K is K, N is 100, 100, CF is 85, F is 50, H, the gap of class is 5. 3 स्टेप बताया था मैंने, 1, 2, 3 कर दो ना. 82 minus 79.5 is 2.5. 2.5 into 50 divided by 5 is equal to 4.45K minus 85. So I'll get 5 1s are 5 10s are 2.5 into 5 is 25 plus 85 is equal to 4.5K. 25 plus 85 is 110 upon 4.45 is equal to K. Therefore K is equal to 110 upon 445. 2 0 ऊपर कर लेते हैं पॉइंट शिफ्ट करके. 5 8s are 45, 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 0 0. K is equal to 2200 divided by 89. Therefore K is equal to, divide करो 2200 divided by 89 करो तो you will get the answer. Division कर सकते हैं क्या division? So when you divide 2200 by 89, you will get 24.719. So approximately K is equal to 24.72%. So number of workers who got produced less than 82 units output is 24.72%. Hope this is clear.